So here we've got another block of flats here in Selection Park. I like this again, security, security fence, security gate. Brick face means it's easy to maintain. Looks like it's relatively new, secure. Looks like a clean, nice suburb. Issue with the photos, unfortunately, is that there's no photos of the inside. But you can see here that there's some nice cars parked outside. So you're probably going to have a good blue collar kind of tenant, which is great. Someone who's employed, got a good job, maintains and looks after the house well. So it would be an easy one to manage. They're asking a lot, eh? 5 million for 8 apartments. Okay, I'm looking at another deal that's also 8 apartments for 5 million. So maybe that's more market price than I thought. So 5 million divided by 8 means they're asking 625 per 3 bedroom. So let me go to my pocket let tool. I'm going to do a purchase estimate. Okay, so I want to look at Selection Park Springs. I want to look at a flat that's 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom. What are they selling for? Because that's going to give me a sense of whether 625 is, a fair market price or if it's an inflated price. Okay. So obviously this first one should be ignored. I don't know. That's the one I'm looking at. I don't know if you can delete it here. No. So 695, 650, 650. That's pretty much market price. So they're asking 625, a slight discount because you're buying bulk. We'll have to push them a bit lower than that, right? So 5 million will go in at 3.8 is what I went in on the last one, I think. 8 apartments. I think I worked on was it 8 times 6,500. Yeah, about 52,000. So I'll do the same here. Okay, buying costs. Here we go, 3.8. We already know that it's 280,000 from the previous deal that I analyzed. Refurb. Yeah, for a good deal or for a safe deal like this, general touch-ups, I'll put 50,000 for an inspection report and a bit of painting here and there. Let's look at the financials on a month-to-month. Are there levies? Are there rates and taxes? It doesn't say anything, but we're definitely going to have to budget. I think the other one I was looking at was 9,200 for rates and taxes. So I'm going to do the same there, 1,200. Compare apples with apples, right? Okay, that was more or less the same kind of return or cash flow. So it's very similar to the other deal. I might go in slightly lower. I'll go in at a 3.7 million. Just to bump the return up slightly. Yeah. Okay, this is a nice deal. I think it's got some potential. The key now for me is to go and do viewings, right? I don't know the area that well, so I wouldn't know exactly if it's high risk, low risk, or medium risk. That'll affect my provisions. I also want to get proof. I want to see some sort of rent roll so that I can see the 52 grand, so I can validate that number. But I can also start to see if there's any delinquent behavior. Again, it helps me provision for my risk. Thanks for watching another video. I hope that you enjoyed this live deal analysis and learned something new. Please don't forget to subscribe and also join my membership program where you get exclusive and additional perks. Some of these perks include a priority response to your comments. You also get to suggest topics and I'll create videos on them. You can also send me deals that I will analyze on your behalf and so much more. Click here for more information. Until next time, happy investing.